So let's discuss changing the mass of a element or compound to moles of that element or compound. Now, if I am in grams and I want to go to mole on my molehart, I see that I will need to divide by the molar mass and multiply by the mole, because I'm wanting mole, and what we want goes on top, and what we're getting rid of goes on the bottom. So for this first one, 35.2 grams of AU is gold, I can use my periodic table, because I can find out that for every 1 mole of AU, I can look on the periodic table and quickly see that there's 196.967 grams of AU in 1 mole. So I can see, yes, I did set it up right. The grams are on bottom, and that's okay. I can just divide. So I will type in the 35.2, divide by 196.967, and I get my answer. Now, since my starting number had 3 sig figs, I want to keep 3 sig figs, so I'll write 0.178. Well, I look to the right, and I notice there's a 7, which is more than 5. So the 8 would round up for a final answer, 0.179 moles of gold. But now I have this lovely compound. I can't just find a list that has all the compound molar masses. So before I can actually do the problem, I have to come to the side and say, okay, for Ag is silver, and I got 2 of those. O, I have 1 of those. So I know that the molar mass of silver from the periodic table, right there, is 107.868. And if I do 2 times 107.868 in my calculator, that comes out to 215.736. And I know from the periodic table that 1 mole of oxygen has a molar mass of 15.999. 15.999. So if I add both of those together, I get a molar mass of 231.735 grams for every 1 mole. Now that I have that, then I can do my math. I now know that for every 1 mole of Ag2O, there is 231.735 grams of Ag2O. The grams will divide out. I then do 35.2 divided this time by 231.735. Now, I need to keep 3 sig figs, so 1, 2, 3. The 8 will make the 1 round up. So my answer will be 0.152 moles silver oxide.